next thing I heard is I heard Daniel yelling. He was yelling for Jack and Lily. I didn't get up because I thought he was yelling for Jack and Lily in the house. The next thing you know, came out of the trailer after I heard Daniel, about, I'd say, 10 minutes after I heard him, I come out of the trailer. I opened up the door, was standing here. Malaya was standing right here with Meadow on her hip. And I come out and I said, "What's up?" She said, "Jack and Lily are missing."
Just something I noticed here, which I noticed it before, but I hadn't twigged to the significance of it. This whole time she's talking about coming out, Malaya's standing there with the baby on her hip. But the whole time she's telling this part of the narrative, she keeps looking up the hill to the cabin area, which again seems to point to something happening up there. Because she's the whole time, instead of, you would expect, if she's retelling this narrative, you would expect her to be focusing on the location where Malaya had been standing. But she's not focusing on the location where Malaya has been standing. The whole time she's talking about Malaya being there and Malaya saying the children are missing, she keeps looking up the hill.
How long? She said, "About 20 minutes. I closed the door, got my boots on.
She's still doing it.
Ran up in the woods. Just right up here. The kids have a little fort that they made out of sticks and fir branches. And that's where they go. You can see them and hear them. We went for walks in the woods. I had to practically carry Jack through the woods because there was no way that he was walking through all that.
Let's go back a little bit. I do want to have a look again at the way she's talking about Malaya and looking up the hill the whole time.
Right here, with Meadow on her hip. And I come out and I said, "What's up?" She said, "Jack and Lily are missing." I said, "How long?" She said, "About 20 minutes. I closed the door, got my boots on, came out here, ran up in the woods.